Want to copy a text message on your iPhone and paste it somewhere else without typing the whole thing again? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and find the text you want to copy. If you want to select a specific word, I want to copy Mark Rubel's text message. Simply long press the message. When the pop-up menu appears, tap Copy. Simply drag the blue grab points until all the text you need is highlighted. For example, I only want to copy this part of my message, so I'm dragging the selection point until the entire sentence is selected. If you want to quickly select an entire paragraph, triple tap the paragraph with one finger. Once your text is selected, you'll see a small pop-up menu. Tap Copy. That's it. The selected text is now copied to your iPhone's clipboard. Now, let's paste it. For example, I'm going to paste this text into another message. Open the conversation and tap the text field where you want the copied text to appear. Tap the flashing cursor and then select Paste from the pop-up menu. And there it is. The exact text I copied appears right here. Now I can edit the text if needed, or simply tap the Send button. Here's another useful trick if you're having trouble placing the cursor exactly where you want it. Touch and hold the space bar on your iPhone keyboard. The keyboard turns into a trackpad. Without lifting your finger, slide left, right, up, or down to precisely position the cursor. Your iPhone also supports 3 finger gestures for copying and pasting. After selecting your text, pinch inward with 3 fingers to copy it. Then move to where you want to paste the text and pinch outward with 3 fingers to paste it. It can feel a little tricky at first, but once you get used to it, it's a really quick way to copy and paste. And there's something new to check out in iOS 27. There's a new one-tap paste button on the iPhone keyboard that can make pasting copied text even quicker. I've made a separate video showing how to use that feature step by step, so watch the video linked above or check the link in the description below. And that's how you copy and paste text on your iPhone. If this worked for you, comment "Got it" below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.